Hey guys, this is Jeff from Adirondack Woodsman. I wanted to give you an update on the switch that I put in for the John Deere Snowblower Chute Actuator. The one that you see here was the one I got from Gelly. It unfortunately wasn't quite the right size. I got it in there, but it's a little bit wider and a little bit too short to go in there. So I got gaps where the cutout, where the knockout is, above and below a little bit. And then when I put it in there, it squeezed it enough that it turned the momentary switch into a permanent switch. Unless I push up or push down, it won't go back to the center position. So I kind of measured, I was trying to measure another switch out there that I had to see what the correct one was. And I ordered this one from John Deere directly. Unfortunately, that one's like a $35 switch. The Fergelli one was only $5 something. But I wanted the right switch to go in there. So I ordered one from John Deere, even though I got 2 tractors to do. And then I went to eBay, and they had pretty good measurements on there. And I used one of these digital calibration units or whatever to actually get an accurate measurement, and ordered this second one. You can't tell, but there's like a blue light up above and down below that that just tell you that it's on, I guess. But this turned out to be the same exact size as the John Deere one. It's a little bit different style. On the back, they gave you all the jumpers were in the package, but on the back, it was pretty easy to wire up because they gave you the jumpers for it. So I'm going to be installing this in my 1025R, and assuming everything goes well, I'll install the John Deere original one. I'm not going to bring it back, but I'll install that one in my 3039R. I'll put a picture of the directions, which came right in the package. Pretty easy to just connect the jumpers. They gave you 2 different ways to hook it up. One if you're doing a winch, and one if you just want a normal momentary switch, which is what you would want for this project. So anyways, I want to give you that. I'll put a link to the place on Amazon that I've got the switch. It was about $7.99 for the switch, so a lot cheaper than the one directly from John Deere. So hopefully this helps somebody else. Thanks, and have a great day.